A battery on a Mercedes GLE350D, and with all the GLEs, the battery is not in the engine bay. Make sure you provide a backup battery to the jumper point. The batteries with the Mercedes is also under here, so just under the driver's seat. Is just under the driver's seat. Before you do that, you got to remove this. Then you got to take out the air filter. Take out this. You got to wiggle it a little bit. Clips in here. So it clips. The batteries under there. With the other Mercedes GLE, I put an AGM battery in there, so it's suitable for stop-start cars. That is 13mm, two 13mm down there, and just a 10mm to unscrew the negative, which is this one, and the positive, which is at the back. Sometimes you may have to cut the carpet here. Just have to cut it here and here, just to remove the battery. Now disconnect the negative terminal. I've cut the carpet here, and on this side, also disconnected the positive terminal. Yeah. Now we just pull the battery out. It's quite heavy, so make sure you use two hands to pull it out. The gap is big enough now. Make sure it's a stop-start. Before we do that, take off the jumper point terminals. Take the positive off first, and the negative. Good to go, engine starts. Any errors, just plug in your OBD2 driver, OBD2 reader in here. And then clear the faults. Let's do an alternator test. Engine, wait for 15 seconds. Alternator is good, perfect. That's how you change a battery for a GLE 350.